Hello everyone. Welcome back to our warm and happy Mr. English buddy. I'm Jessie, and I'm so happy you're here today. Really, I feel like dancing a little bit.
And I'm Ralph. Hi friends. You look great today. Yes, you. Don't hide. I see your smile.
Before we start, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. One click equals happy us plus better English for you.
Yes. Today we talk about something very useful. Something you do every day. Something we all do.
Your daily routine. Today's topic is talking about your daily routine in simple English.
Morning, afternoon, night, everything. Let's make it fun and easy.
Okay, let's start our day together. So Ralph, let's start with morning routines. What time do you wake up?
I want to wake up at 6. I plan to wake up at 6. I dream of waking up at 6. But I actually wake up at 8:30.
So your alarm says wake up, but your body says no?
Exactly. My alarm rings and I say, 5 more minutes, 5 more years.
That is very dangerous, Ralph.
I know, but it feels so good.
Okay, so after you finally wake up, what do you do?
First, I stretch. I make a big stretch. Then I brush my teeth.
Good. Brushing teeth is important. Please brush your teeth, everyone.
Yes, please. The world needs fresh breath.
Then I wash my face, drink water, and I make coffee. I love coffee in the morning.
Jessie without coffee is a scary Jessie.
Hey, not true. Okay, maybe a little true.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Sometimes eggs, sometimes fruit, sometimes just coffee.
Only coffee? Jessie, that is not breakfast. That is sadness.
I know. What about you?
Toast. Always toast. Every day. Toast and peanut butter.
Every day. That is a routine.
A strong routine. Peanut butter routine.
After breakfast, I start work. I answer emails. I plan lessons. I talk to students.
Yes. Jessie is super organized. Jessie loves schedules. Jessie loves lists.
I love lists. They make me feel powerful.
I don't have lists. I just guess.
That explains many things.
Yes. My brain is like, what are we doing today? And I say, I don't know, surprise me.
What do you do in the afternoon, Ralph?
I eat lunch. I work. I take a short walk. And sometimes I take a nap. I eat lunch. I work. I take a short walk. And sometimes I take a nap.
A nap? How long?
20 minutes. Or 2 hours. It depends on my feelings.
2 hours? That is not a nap. That is a mini sleep.
Yes, and it feels amazing.
Evening time is relaxing time.
Yes. I like watching TV shows. I like cooking dinner. I like talking to friends.
Sometimes I read books. Sometimes I watch videos. Sometimes I clean my home.
You clean? For fun?
Yes. Cleaning relaxes me.
Wow. You are so different from me.
Okay, nighttime. What time do you go to sleep?
11 p.m. Or midnight. Or 1 a.m. My sleep routine is a little broken.
Your sleep routine is not a routine. It's chaos.
Yes, beautiful chaos.
I usually sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Wow. Jessie sleeps early, wakes early, works early. You are like a superhero.
And you are like a sleepy potato.
I accept this title.
Let's explain a few routine words. Wake up, open your eyes in the morning. Get up, stand up from bed. Brush my teeth, clean your teeth. Have breakfast, eat in the morning. Take a nap, sleep for a short time during the day.
Very simple. Very useful.
Let's make a short example routine.
Okay, here's mine. I wake up at 8:30. I brush my teeth. I eat toast. I work. I eat lunch. I walk. I rest. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I sleep at midnight.
Nice and simple.
Now your turn, Jessie.
I wake up early. I drink coffee. I work. I eat lunch with friends. I read in the evening. I sleep early.
Perfect.
Okay, everyone. Time to learn some simple daily routine phrases. 1. I wake up at Use to say your morning time. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 8:30. 2. I get ready. Means prepare for the day, brush teeth, wash face, get dressed. I get ready for school. 3. I go to work or I go to school. Easy way to talk about your day. I go to work at 9. 4. I come home. Means return home. I come home at 6 p.m. 5. I go to bed. Use this for sleeping time. I go to bed at 10.
Wow. Today we talked about morning, afternoon, evening, and night. A full day.
Yes. Now you can talk about your daily routine in simple English.
Remember, keep it simple, use easy verbs, and speak slowly.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Today's question for you is, what time do you wake up?
Tell us in the comments. We want to know your routine.
See you next time. Keep learning and keep smiling.